In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Adobe Express. Whether you're fine-tuning tiny details or stepping back to see the whole canvas, knowing how to control your zoom makes editing faster, cleaner, and a lot more comfortable. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so the interface and your projects are ready to go. If you see any prompts to update or continue, just let those complete so everything runs smoothly. Next, make sure you're logged in. You'll need to be signed into your account to open or create projects. If you're already in, great. Your recent work and tools will be available. If not, sign in and wait until your home screen appears with your content. On the left-hand side of the home screen, you'll see options for your stuff and start new design. If you already have something in progress, click your stuff to access your existing projects. If you want to begin from scratch, Start New Design is there, but for this tutorial, let's focus on zooming within a project you already have. Click on an existing project to open it on the canvas. Once it loads, look toward the top of the screen. There's a toolbar that includes the View menu. Click the drop-down for the View options. This is where Adobe Express Groups controls that affect how you see your project without changing the actual design. Inside that menu, choose Zoom In or Zoom Out. Each click nudges your view closer to your design or farther away, and you'll notice the zoom percentage update as you go. Zooming in is perfect for aligning edges, checking typography, or cleaning up mass. Zooming out helps you evaluate balance, spacing, and overall composition. You can also use quick keyboard shortcuts to work even faster. Press the equals key to zoom in. That's the key with the equals sign, typically near the backspace key. You don't need to hold shift. To zoom out, press the minus key. These shortcuts are especially handy when you're in a flow and don't want to break concentration by opening menus. If nothing seems to happen, make sure your canvas is active by clicking once on it, then try the keys again. As you adjust, keep an eye on the zoom percentage to find a comfortable working level. Use the same View menu whenever you want to fine-tune how much of the canvas you see and to make your workspace feel just right for the task at hand. That's it. Open Adobe Express, sign in, pick your project, use the View drop-down to zoom, and rely on the equals and minus keys for quick control. Happy designing!